Hello there. Today I'm going to teach you how to use a record player. So if your record player does, there should be a switch here. It controls auto lift feature. Then you align it with the different, like, darker shade of the grooves, and then just hit the switch again. And should start playing. Okay, but what if your record player does not have the switch over here, the auto lift? Well, you got to do it with your hand or your fingers. So you find this part right here, this whatever it's called. Then you lift it and you very, very carefully place it on. And it should play. Okay.